Alright, welcome to channel. I'm still working on this EVA, but to continue to learn, I have just populated the left side only, so I can just trying to get the feel just for that left side. So I've isolated just that one side. So I'll go in. First one's binding, lift it up, feels free. Try to get on the second one, feels free. Third one is binding, freed up. Fourth one feels free. Feel like I'm nudging up on the back one. Alright. Fairly high set, but it's free now. Now I'm trying to find the last one on the left side, which is it's got the short little nubs on it, so it's a little bit harder to find. Okay, that's the one, number 5. Oh, moment. Nope. Just gonna see if I get, there we go. Just had to kind of get up under it and pick it like a real pig. So 5 is still, I'm gonna see if I can get on. Alright, 6 feels like it's still loose. 4, it's rattling, so I'm gonna leave it alone. 3, doing the same. Alright, 2 is binding hard. I'm gonna give it a push up, and we just went into a fairly deep false set there. Alright, so 1 is, so I'm gonna compare the, I guess the, I don't know what you want to call it, the movement, the wiggliness. It just, I don't know. The one just feels like it may need to come up one more. I'm not 100% sure, but did I move it? Let's see if I can get one to bump up one position. Okay. All right, which I just did, I think. And feels a little bit more movement. All right, now 2 feels like it's binding pretty tight. I'm gonna bump it up. Okay. Now 1 really bound tight. So I'm gonna bump 1 back down. Okay, and we're open. So I was in the true gate, I think, on the first one, and the second one just wasn't in the true gate. So, all right, that's open with just the left side populated. All right, sorry about that. The audio didn't record, so it was otherwise just silence of me picking, so I decided to fast forward through this, doing the same thing I did on the other side, just checking each slider, trying to learn where the sliders are, feeling the feedback and everything. So just kind of fast forwarding through this, but again, it's only, I got 6 sliders on the right side, and just learning the feedback and how they like to bind, and really tension control and everything else. But anyway, about to get this open, and there it is. All right, thanks for watching.